Hey guys, we're back. Captain Bailey and the first mate, and it's yeah, fermentation is completely done, as you can see, and we're sitting right here at, if this will focus, 20 Celsius, or well, not Celsius. The gravity reading, final gravity, is sitting at 20. So 1074 to 1020, we're looking at 7.2, 7.3% ABV, and that's right on the money. My recipe, when Brewer's Friend was saying 7.3 with 28 IBUs. So yeah, we're looking good. Yeah, so we're looking good. I'm happy with the percent with the ABV. Obviously, the color looks like it's pretty much spot on as well. I mean, I don't know. Well, spot on with the other recipe from the Homebrew Bible, but hey, I'm gonna bottle this, and a couple weeks we'll see what the taste tests and see if it's. I can't really, like I said, I never had Narragansett's Innsmouth Old Ale, so we're just going on a whim here. Don't know, but according to their website and their description of their beer, it's 7% ABV, and yeah, that's all I really got, So that's it. I can't do a taste side by side. I wish I could, but till we do it again, my friends, I got a lot of bottling to do, and I still got to clean the bottles, and you know how much fun that is. So till we do it again, my friends, remember, let's set sail.